In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Fidelity Direct Deposit. This process will allow your paycheck or government payments like Social Security to be sent directly into your Fidelity account. Setting up direct deposit is convenient and ensures that your funds are available immediately. Let's dive right into the steps. First, we need to find your Fidelity account information. You will need two key pieces of information here. The first is the routing number, which for Fidelity is commonly 101205681. The second is your account number, which you can find within your Fidelity account. Now let's locate these numbers using your desktop. Begin by logging into your account at fidelity.com. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Accounts and Trade section and then click on Portfolio. From there, select your account. You should see options like routing number or direct deposit information. Make sure to note these down accurately. This step is crucial because any errors here can delay your deposits. With your account information in hand, the next step is to get a direct deposit form. You have two options to do this. Option A is the automatic setup, which is the easiest route. Some employers have an option to search for Fidelity directly in their payroll systems. To use this method, log into your Fidelity account and go to the direct deposit setup section. There, search for your employer and follow the prompts provided. It's a streamlined process that saves time by automatically filling in the necessary information. If automatic setup isn't available, you can opt for manual setup, which works just about everywhere. For this, you'll need to ask your employer for a direct deposit form. Once you have the form, fill in your Fidelity routing number, your Fidelity account number, and specify the account type as checking. Finally, submit the completed form to your HR or payroll department. After submitting your information, you'll need to wait for activation. It typically takes 1 to 2 pay cycles for the setup to be fully active. During this time, your employer will confirm once everything is in place. Patience is key here, as the wait time ensures that everything is processed correctly. Now, let's talk about what happens next once your direct deposit is set up. Your paycheck will automatically go straight into your Fidelity account. This means you can invest your funds immediately or let them sit in cash depending on your financial goals. In some cases, you might even receive your funds earlier than your scheduled payday, offering you added financial flexibility. Before we wrap up, here's an important tip to keep in mind. Always double-check that your routing and account numbers are entered correctly. Small mistakes can lead to delays in receiving your funds. Additionally, be aware that some Fidelity accounts might use a specially formatted account number, so it's crucial to verify this before submitting to payroll. With these steps, setting up Fidelity Direct Deposit should be a smooth process. You'll enjoy the benefits of having quick access to your funds and the convenience of automatic deposits. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.